Hi, I'm Patricia San Pedro, founder of Sunina Skin, author of Face Fitness, and esthetician. If you only have 2 minutes to perform gua sha, I got you. I have my timer ready and I want to share with you my signature flow by Sunina Skin. I am using one of my favorite serums by Sun Skincare, Mermaid Collagen Serum. And it pairs perfectly with the Heart Gua Sha by Sunina Skin. Let's get it. Make sure the dropper doesn't touch your face. Pat it along all around the face. Don't forget your neck. A few things to note. Take your gua sha, flip the Sunina side in, hold your gua sha flat against your face. Hold it with your left hand. I have my timer ready, 2 minutes, and we will start. At the base of your neck, lift up. Remember to inhale and exhale. Midsection of your neck, lift up. Your chin, lift up. Follow with the other hand. And along the jawline, lift up your cheek, upwards. Now turn the heart, bottom side up, and upwards along the orbital bone. And forehead lines, midsection of your forehead on the left side, and edge of your forehead. We're going to drain this side all the way down towards the neck. Now switch sides. Right side neck, right side middle neck, and your chin, tip of your chin all the way up the jawline. Lift the elbows, cheeks. Follow with the other hand. Flip over your heart, place it at the orbital bone and lift up. Butt of the heart at your forehead, middle of your forehead, edge of your forehead. You're going to take the heart at the middle of your forehead and down, drain it. Down to the neck. Big inhale. Exhale. Let's see how we're at with time. 15 seconds left. Amazing job. So if you have about 2 minutes a day, you can do this. Try the gua sha flow at home. Love and light.